What's happening, people? It's a new year. It's January 12th. We have a gun show at Palmetto Convention Center. We're gonna go ahead and check it out and see what we got for the new year. I hope you guys having a swell year to start off and begin with. So see you in here looking at some of these nice pow-pows.
Wow, ladies and gentlemen. Wow.
I'm glad to help you. He's no experience. None whatsoever. Can you serve? No. My wife did that. I thought that might be what got you in the Grand. No, some people. No, the M1 Grand, I used to have left the company. I didn't shoot until later in life, and when I did, I realized what a great firearm it is.
I got one. Guarantee yourself seat.
Look, he's already come. I thought that was John for a minute. It wasn't him, though. It's somebody else. I was like, damn, he's back already. That Tesla's faster than hell. He's got the guy here. He's got that new Tesla Plaid.
But
yeah.
Oh man, that thing's sick. 3 motors. They're so fast, dude. That thing will set you back in the seat. You can't even scratch your nose.
What?
Oh
that
yeah.
fast?
Oh, they're fast.
I didn't know they were that fast.
Oh yeah, that thing's moving.
I bought the Grand.
Yeah, it's just stock the way they come. They'll do a quarter mile. Like.
Everything for set up for a Glock. We got triggers, trigger kicks, mags, barrels. Nice stuff. Some nice shotguns. Small spur. Nice. How you doing?
It's kind of hard. You feel it. I love it.
Oh, that's nice. Good price here with an optic 5 mags tactical bag. Nice Canic, optic ready, $469. Oh, that's nice. Great seal. Cool. Nice little thing there. What's that?
How are you doing?
6 hour. Liberty Safe, $795, $995, $1,295. Not bad. So if you guys want a safe, all type of safe here.
How's it going, man?
All right, how about yourself?
Pretty good. If you have any questions, let me know.
Okay.
All of our stuff's guaranteed for life. What we can is made in the U.S.
It's gotta be made for soul here. Especially this trauma kit and all that good stuff.
All of our prototypes are made in the U.S.
All right.
If we
So we got some custom opers here. We got 308s. Nice 308s.
Good to see you, man. Welcome.
Yes, sir.
I feel like there's other people here than yeah, there is. Last month, yeah.
419 for this here. You got your 5.6s here. Texas on there. 7.5 inches. $300 blackout. .762 uppers. Stabilizer braces. Never heard of these guys here. They don't look bad. $15, can't beat that. $300 blackout mags. They are 15, 30 rounds. A lot of different mags. Here's the steel. Yep. And aluminum. Very light. Made in USA. Some nice Gosley charging handles. Very nice. Ooh.
Around the big dog.
Different size barrels. Very nice. Take this with you?
Yum.
That's calling your name. 6534.
It looks like it.
I know, it's like everyone.
Yeah.
I need a good one.
This one here. Oh, this is beautiful.
Yeah, that one too. Oh,
Yeah.
they're both from Corby, which is the Largo company. So it's local.
Yeah?
Yes, which
Cool.
is really awesome.
How you doing, man?
Oh yeah.
I'm fine, thank you.
Yeah, these are ready. Everything's on them. Perfect.
Student weapons permit class today will begin. This class will cover Florida law, firearm safety, self-defense, how to fill out the application paperwork, your picture,
Check this guy
and
out.
your range time, all done here.
Aluminum
at Florida
trigger.
Gun Shows.
extended mag release, extended slide catch, all the gold.
We're starting in 45 minutes.
TLR7, 1000 lumen flashlight, single port compensator, fluted and milled barrel. She comes for 1100 with a 20 round magazine and a 15 round magazine and a gun range bag.
Can't beat that. Fully ready.
Yeah.
You don't need to do nothing with that.
You're not doing any more aftermarket
Yeah,
work.
you can't.
We have these for competition shooting. This is called the Glock gas pedal. Allows you to shoot. Put your thumb there to keep the recoil down. I could put 3 rounds before you're finding your target for your first round. While you're still dealing with your recoil, I'm already still on, putting 2 more rounds. And then we have the ring for people with dexterity issues, or if you have misloads.
Yes. Do they sell those gas pedals separate?
They do. I don't have any right now.
Okay.
I tell people to cross armor.
Cross armor?
Yeah, and you'll start seeing some plastic ones and things like that. I recommend the aluminum one.
Yeah, I want aluminum.
They have some that go in place.
That one there, all that competition there.
We have 43X at the end, and those come in 15 round capacity instead of 10.
Oh, yeah.
I have a meeting with him.
10 round mags. That's a Gen 3, the Gen 1, Glock 17 barrels and slides. Not bad for that slide. Some barrels.
$73.99. If those are $1.
14 and 11. 11, 14. What's the difference? Oh, 23, 17. Hey man, how you doing today? Some nice ones in there.
That come with some of the small ones in there. Just get a battery charger or something. And there's some phone
All
charger.
lights for sale.
Get something.
Yeah, boy. Got them all here. Laser bright combo. All right, got my brother right there, Ace.
How you doing, sir?
All right, how about yourself, brother? You been all right?
I'm blessed, brother.
So you got all this good stuff up here?
Yes, sir. Got some uppers. I got a few different parts. Got some strip lowers, builder kits, bow carriers, some charging handles. I got a few used rifles there, and I got some complete loads over there as well.
All right.
I think it might
Mira, la canita, mira. Mira cómo lo chiquito.
How long does it take for them background checks today?
I haven't ran one today, so I'm not sure. I don't think it's gonna take that long. It hasn't been really busy like that. Usually when it's busy, it takes longer.
All right. What's your ammo looking like today?
I'm doing $10 a box on those.
$10?
Yes, sir.
Oh, you know I gotta get some of them.
I'm doing $450 on 1,000 rounds of 223. Then this is probably my best deal on the table. I'm doing 200 rounds of 5.56 with a magazine in the can for $125.
All right. All right. Yes, sir.
It's a satchel.
And then I got the RIPs, you know, those are always,
Yes.
everybody's always
Yes, I got me a bunch of them.
ultralights.
Yeah, I heard about these.
They're actually local here in Bradenton. Liberty ammunitions.
Yeah.
I mean, you can feel it.
Super light.
Super light. Super light. And they are coming fast. They are going fast out of that bottle.
I have to get some of them and try some of them. I haven't tried them yet. Everything been going today.
Kind of slow, you know.
All right.
Didn't really expect much out of it.
Yeah.
But it is what it is. You know, we always here.
Yep. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I got some 300 blackout.
Oh, for the
Subsonic.
17? Yeah, can't beat it. Subsonic.
Yup.
You ain't got none of them in 5.56, do you?
Nah.
All right.
I don't even know who makes that. Subsonic 5.56. Got the Subsonic 22s. There's a segmented hollow point. These are the quiets.
Okay. Yes, sir.
Oh, and I got people leaving garbage on my stuff.
That's crazy. Why do you do? Critical. How much them doing for? 5.7?
5.7 critical defense.
Yes, sir.
Visible. Okay. And you know what they do?
Okay.
And then the Hornady Black.
How the Hornady look? Yep.
Some of the teeth so they can fight.
And I got some of the blue tips too.
You ain't playing, huh? Yep, right there.
Yep.
You ain't playing. Brother, you got it all. You too. Happy New Year's, brother. That's the man right there. We got him here. Bear Creek. Everything you need.
But it was staying wherever you placed it. There's enough of them to take a picture of it. You can't see it. Yeah, so you can go. I would wear. So you don't have it.
How much are you selling them for?
Yeah.
$3, 2 for $5. You want some?
Yeah.
Like I always wear.
Shotgun. Used. 12 gauge. Hey, how you doing today, man?
Doing well.
That's good. That's good. They working you hard, or you're not working at all?
I'm working.
Okay.
Don't worry. Working it harder later when I pack all this up.
Yeah, I feel you, brother. I feel you. That's a lot. That's when the work starts.
Yeah, that's true. This is the easy work.
And these are all you guys' tables too, right?
That's right.
All right. Police trade-ins, shotguns, Remingtons. All police trade-ins. Pasco County, looks like. Yeah.
For so long.
It's nice.
I guarantee you. How about this one?
Very light. What we got here? 357.
Dad, I like this.
Alright, we got some 6-hour ARs. 5.56. Got your Daniels. Alright, that short barrel. Barrel 61. Oh, they're Radical Firearms. It's nice.
So some states, hold on to not a state website. A lot of places.
Yeah, he could grab it.
I see you own a Florida.
He get shotgun. Yeah.
45 out on.
Gentlemen doing okay?
Yes, sir.
You know if you need it. It's made 16 inches via
22.
Is the barrel 16 inches? So the rifle goes in the barrel. Okay. And you added that just to make it better. Yeah, what's up?
But these are AR.
That's an AR-15. Not an AR. So,
We had friends.
I'm with the family. That's a weird design. That's good.
On a good day, my front porch.
I can see the sky. If I turn this way,
I would build, so like Appalachians, the Ramapo Mountains, they were just behind my middle school. So I literally had 1 foot in each area. But yeah, man, just that licensing, we all three go in there.
Either our store is a stop.
Beautiful.
This gives you, I love it, I love
Hey, Rob. Rob. Will's got an out-of-state fire.
Used to have one. I get this one for 14,000.
Folks, get yourselves signed up. Be on the table. We'll get started in 20 minutes. And thank you for coming to our event.
How about you, sir? Need some
No, just looking right now, brother. Thank you.
Actually, I only need the vehicle registration to get some my here.
Looking for something? So far, I'm just kind of scanning. You have any MP12?
I don't recommend them. I don't sell them. They are failures. 3 recalls. Twice as much as pay as my occasion.
We got shotguns.
The Secret Service. The Marshals.
From my boy Yuri. 12 gauge.
Yep. It looks cool until recall 1, recall 2.
Oh, it opens up.
I had a big day yesterday.
That's not the pro.
Looks nice. Some Berettas. Nice. Mossberg demo. Mossberg demo, $4.99. That's nice. So 12 gauge. Nice. 20 rounder. AR-12.
Handgun, raise your hand.
These look pretty cool.
Take it, open it up, and find out the mystery. Which one?
A belt just like that. Alright, I got a belt kind of just like that.
Nice. Been doing good for you?
Yes, it's perfect.
Nice, man. How much you pay for it? Quick question.
35.
35?
Yeah.
Solid. Solid deal.
I like them. They're perfect.
What, you got YouTube?
Yeah, they perfect. I wear this fucker everywhere.
Nice. What are you doing for your channel?
Yep.
Nice.
Everywhere. These are perfect. I was looking around a lot of places for a belt.
If you want, I can just give you my business card.
Yes.
Just in case. It won't be the same price as you see it in the show. Just be a little bit more.
All right,
We're
problem.
We're based out of Jupiter, Florida.
Okay.
So we get it in the warehouse on Tuesday, and then we can ship it out same day. You get it roughly around Thursday. Friday.
Oh, all right. How much is it for shipping? I'm in the St. Pete area.
I'm sorry?
I'm in the St. Pete area. How much is it for shipping?
It'll probably be the same price like everything else, maybe like 5, 4.
Okay, that's not bad.
If you want, if you mention like
nice tourniquets. It's a $65 one.
yes, sir. It comes with your tourniquet, everything you need to save your life or somebody else's life.
Okay.
Do you sell on your website individual?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
It's fairly new. Just give us some time and then we'll have it up on the website.
Okay, brother. I appreciate you. You got the chest seal 6x6.
Yes, sir. And my perfect dummy right here has one of the chest seals on.
Okay. You're right. Is a relic bandage.
Yes, sir. It's good for when you just get shot. Just start pulling that apart and stuffing your wound.
How much are these running? Your chest seals?
So my chest seals are going to be 20 a piece. My Israeli bandages are going to be 12. If you want to buy 2, it'll be 16.
All right.
And then my tourniquets, which the rods are made out of metal, not hard plastic.
Yeah, I know what you mean.
You're looking at 30. If you were to buy 2, it'll be 50.
Okay.
And then my hemostatic gauze are going to be 17. If you are looking for a trauma kit, I can throw that in for 10. So I'm taking $7 off.
All right. Thank you very much, brother. Thank you.
So the Cobra Techs, they're really nice American-made knives. They're lifetime warranty, and they're D2 steel, handmade in Meridian, Texas.
Oh.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Cleaning kits.
Yes, sir. Rifle, shotgun, and handgun. Anywhere else, including Amazon, you're looking roughly around
about
60.
80. I saw some of them like $80.
Exactly.
Man.
So this is our brand. This gets manufactured to us. You're looking at $42.95 at the show. And then we have handgun cleaning kits, good for carrying it on the range.
You're right.
All of our rods are going to be brass instead of that hard plastic, because hard plastic, they're going to break eventually.
Yeah.
And then I could throw in the mat for you if you're interested, for 15 instead of 20 with our bundle. It's a hard rubber that have lifted edges so nothing can roll off, and non-slip on the back.
Okay.
And we're currently working on our larger mats for our rifles. We had a lot of feedback for that.
All right. Thank you. All right, everybody. We got nice deals here. Get at them. Got body armor. Like the little backpack. What's in here? Nice. Nice.
If you want. Oh man. And there you go. There's a Michael Knives. Michael Knives right there. You got me on video.
No, I'll put some music on it.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Florida Gun Shows. Our final concealed weapons permit class of the day is going to start in 5 minutes. This class will cover Florida law, firearms safety, self-defense, how to fill out your application paperwork, your picture, and your range time, all done here.